Good morning. Myself Yashan Bharadwaj from Welfare Engineering College. I am from CSC department, third year. I am the team lead, and this is my team. This is Swapna, that is Rani, and that is Priyanka. And my project is based on basically online fee management system.
So, good morning everyone. Myself Yashun Bharadwaj from Team Lead from Online Fee Management System. So, as I introduced in the introduction part, I will explain the online fee management system now. So, this is my project. This is the file structure of my project. So, you can see my file structure of my project. This is the code of my project. I used HTML, CSS. And Bootstrap and Django to design the backend part of the project. So I used Python language to design my project. So I can show you some code, some Python part of my code here. So I've designed some functions and enabled them and linked them to my front end part. So here, this is my code idea. You can get the idea of my code. So coming to the output, you can see the output here. So I'm having some login IDs and password to log in into my online fee management system. So for now, to create an user, I will show you a command to create a user. So control C. So the command is python3 manage.py create a super user. So I'm hitting the enter. So it is asking for username, so I'm entering my teammate number Rani. So Rani entered. Asking for some email ID, I'm entering the email ID. Next, it is asking for password. I'm entering the password. But you cannot see the password. This is the Django will hide the password. So hitting enter, again entering the same password. So password created successfully. So I have used some numeric values, easy password to remember. So it is asking for validation. So I'm entering yes, validate it. So super user created successfully. So if I run now, this will not work because I need to run the server again. So running the server again. So run, successfully run. So same, I am entering the same username, so Rani, and password was 1234. So login, so successfully login, it is asking. So I have not designed the dashboard till now because I don't have a big data of the students to analyze and process it. So for now, once the data is added, the admin can see the analysis process of the data. So for now, I will go to the students part. So this is the students dashboard where admin can see this part. So this is the students. Admin can add student details like this. So I have registration numbers like my teammate number, some roll number 9, some B, first name was Priyanka, other name I don't know perfectly. So term is now we are going through second semester. So mobile number, I would add something. I can add some comments here. So I can add some photos also. So I will add some photos like this. So I added some photos. So now I can add student successfully. So I'm not having my teammates photo, so I added this photo, some random photo in my computer. So this part is coming because I've created this from JavaScript, where when the student is added, the pop-up will show that the student is successfully added. When the student is added, you can see the payment history of the student. When the student pays the student fees, here you can see the student, when did the student pay the fees. For example, I have 2 lakhs of fees, so 10,000, and if the student is paying the fees on process, you can see the history, when did the student pay the fees. So this is the student part. So I have designed this project so that it can not only it can act like a online fee management system, so it can act like students management system, like it can create results, update results, view results, etc. For now this part of will not work now. So if in future any developer or any my junior need to add this, so he can add this. I have created the code in such a way that the models are created in such a way that he can add finances, results, staff details, etc. So coming to the fee management system, admin's part is like invoices. So I've added here some students name, students receipts, etc. So for example I'll show you a demo. So for example I need to add a student. So recently we added Priyanka. So session is 1920, term was second term, so it was 3-2. So admin adds the students fee. So was for example I have 2 lakhs to tuition fee amount 10,000. I can add building fund like some 30,000. This is the only for example I'm showing. I don't know the exact details of college. So admin need to add this, he can add. So next I will add some library fee, some 1 lakh. So just to make sure, now 1 lakh, 1,30,000, 40,000. Some I will add some computer fee. Uh, 40. I have some 60,000 left. Okay, successfully added. I have added the invoice of the student. So Priyanka has some. It will show. So if Priyanka comes to pay the fees or fee, so admin will add. If for example Priyanka pays 20,000, so admin can add here. He can add the date and etc. Next he can add payment details. Once he had the payment details, he can see that the Priyanka has paid 20,000. The balance was 3,80,000. So admin in previous part I can explain you, but admin has added the fees as 4 lakh. So admin has that power. So in user manual admin can add the fees before only. So Priyanka has paid 20,000 and left with 3,80,000. If you want, she pays again some 10,000. One. So added. So she. So here basically some max is getting happening here in the backend. So the total balance, total paid balance, session terms, etc. So I've created the formulas in such a way that the balance is shown and the total fees is shown to the admin. Okay, now if I add the student's profile, so I have created a profile page to detailize the fees. So now if the admin wants to see the dates and times the student has paid the fees and the balance, etc., so he can view here. So coming to the my project specialty was the bulk reports. So bulk reports, if the admin in the user manual I've mentioned already, if the admin adds the links the Excel sheet here, he can download all the information present in this table exactly. So it can be filtered like 10 entries, etc. So it can be filtered using branch, etc. So I've created a filter bar also. So here for now I don't have much data to access, so I did not link the Excel sheet here. So Excel sheet can be linked according to me in finances part, finances and templates. So here bulk includes. So if admin adds the links the Excel sheet here, he can download all the bulk reports of the students. So this is a small idea about my online fee management system. This is Yashwant Bharadwaj from Team 6, Welfare Engineering College, Vishakhapatnam. Thank you.